Hey guys, it's Shanti from LiveByCode. So, welcome to the channel LiveByCode, and this is the intro video for this channel. So, in this video, we'll be discussing or sharing with you guys what actually LiveByCode stands for. This channel was back in my mind since very long, but I never get the time to kick it start off. So, I decided, why not? As we are all self-quarantine, why not? So, this video will explain you guys what exactly LiveByCode means for us and for you. In this channel, we will be sharing with you guys how to practice for the coding interviews by solving the interview questions together. We'll be sharing with you guys different tips and tricks of a software engineer, tech discussions, and more. Long story short, I'm a software engineer working in a startup in France, and here I am to share the knowledge I have with you guys. So please hang in here and support me in this adventure of sharing knowledge. If you like this video, then do subscribe, comment, like, and share with your friends to support me. Till then, see you guys in my next video, and stay alive and code. Namaste.